Ready to pay your employees but intimidated by the setup process for QuickBooks Payroll? If tax forms and pay schedules make you nervous, you're not alone. Today, we're walking through the basic steps to get payroll set up in QuickBooks Online. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Setting up payroll involves entering your company's tax information and adding your employees so QuickBooks can calculate paychecks and taxes correctly. The foundation, company and tax details. Start in the Payroll section and follow the setup guide. You'll need your company's legal name, address, and federal and state tax identification numbers. This is crucial for filing and paying payroll taxes. The core, adding employees. You'll need each employee's full legal name, social security number, address, and filing status from their W-4. You'll also set their pay rate and pay schedule, e.g., weekly, bi-weekly. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: double-check employee data before the first payroll. A single typo in an address or social security number can cause major issues with tax filings. Have your employees review their own information in the employee portal if possible. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure here. So, just like that, you're on your way to running payroll with confidence and compliance. A smooth payroll process goes a long way in keeping your team happy and the tax authorities off your back. Now I'm curious, how many employees do you have on payroll? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.